guys, it's me T here, Urban Beauty. Oops, sorry, not Urban Beauty 1000. Chicago Nails and Makeup. Ta-da! This is my new channel here on YouTube. I've been on YouTube for about 9 years, and originally my first channel, Urban Beauty 1000, was supposed to be about nails, but for some reason I was in Chicago, said I'm going to do this nail channel. Everything got crazy with my spot, and I ended up moving to Atlanta, becoming a makeup artist, blah, 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 blah. Ended up coming back to Chicago, and here we are again. I said I'm starting all over from scratch for you guys as a nail technician, because that is really what I do. Makeup is secondary, so that is how this channel will be. Now, I hope you guys will join me on this journey, because there will be 2 parts. We're going to be right here discussing all the things about being in the industry, how sometimes it can be really hard, what to do, how to build a clientele, how to own a salon, employees, everything under the sun we're going to discuss here. The good, the bad, and the ugly. Sometimes I'll be alone, sometimes I'll have someone in with me, you just never know. Now, the other part of this channel will be me behind the chair, showing you guys some of the tips and tricks that I use, some of the designs that I like to do, how I'm an acrylic specialist, by the way, but I do everything from manicures, pedicures, no chip, but my specialty is acrylic. So this channel is going to be mainly focused on nails and issues that people in the beauty industry face. And there's also an attached website coming soon. So this will be this place for you. So I hope you will join me. Press that subscribe button, get your notification gang on, and I will see you soon. Till the next video.
Recording.
Is this thing on?
Recording. Is this thing on?